In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund Steam game. If you bought a game on Steam and it didn't meet your expectations, the official refund process is quick and straightforward when you know where to click. I'll walk you through it from start to finish, explain what each choice means, and share a few tips so your request has the best chance of being approved. Keep your Steam login handy and let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to help.steampowered.com. This is Steam support, the only place you should use for refunds. Sign into your Steam account just like you normally would. If you have Steam Guard, you may need to confirm a code. Make sure you're logging into the correct account that actually owns the game you want to refund. Using the official support site helps you avoid scams and ensures your request is tracked properly. Once you're signed in, look for purchases and click it. This page lists your recent transactions, including games, DLC, and in-game items. Find the title you want refunded and select it. If you don't immediately see it, scroll or use the search bar at the top. Keep in mind that some items like gifts or older purchases may appear differently. Selecting the correct game opens the support options specifically for that purchase. On the game support page, choose I would like a refund. This tells Steam you want to start the refund process rather than troubleshoot or fix an issue. Next, you'll be asked where you want the money to go. You can choose to receive the refund in your Steam wallet or have it returned to your original payment method. Steam wallet credits are often processed faster and are great if you plan to buy something else on Steam. The original payment method can take a few business days, depending on your bank or provider. Before submitting, add a brief reason for the refund. Keep it honest and clear. Examples include not fun, wrong purchase, or performance issues. This helps support understand your situation. When you're ready, click Submit. After that, watch for a confirmation email and status updates from Steam. Most requests are reviewed automatically, but some may require manual review. As a general tip, refund requests made within the typical policy window, such as shortly after purchase and with minimal playtime, are more likely to be approved. You can always return to helpsteampowered.com to check the status of your request. And that's it. Simple, secure, and done through the official channel.